Many of the economists are calling for the end of the world. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, the 26th of September, and after a great football day yesterday, and we got a game tonight, which we'll give you later. In the meantime, markets are kind of mixed. The Dow and the S&P are getting clobbered. The Russell and the NASDAQ are higher. Okay, we're short them all. But you heard Ray Dalio calling for the end of the world, and you always have to wonder when you hear these dramatic predictions on one side or the other, what are they really thinking? Okay, and what do they want to do? So it is either that they're already short and they'd like to see the markets get clobbered, or they want to get long for a dead cat bounce. So they're giving you some fear to think about, so maybe you'll panic out. We haven't seen much of any of that at the moment, but certainly either side is possible, which is why be very leery of any big announcement by anybody. In the meantime, the crude has made a dramatic turnaround after being lower last night, and has come off about $3 from the low. We're still short. It's higher in the day. Bonds and notes are getting beat down like a drum, and again, interest rates are going higher. You got a lot of Fed speak today. A lot of the imbeciles will be out there. The cartel will be figuring out a way to rip you off as the middle class. But we're still short bonds and notes. Gold is down. We are short. Silver is higher. We are long. Gold is going to 1,600. Kids, again, I don't know what else to tell you. You got lots of issues here and lots of problems. And in the meantime, the dollar is higher once again, over 113. You know what? And it buys a lot less still. Inflation, taxation without representation. Stick it to the middle class. That's what we got. We got Uncle Joe and his bullshit programs that are basically destroying the bulk of the citizens. Okay. Euro currency is lower, we're short. Bitcoin is slightly higher, we're short. The copper has made a nice move overnight, actually. Came back from down pretty big, but we're still short. It's a little higher this morning. Natural gas is getting pounded again, and we're still short. Boy, there's going to be a point here to buy this stuff, I'll tell you that much. In the meantime, grains are pretty flat. They are higher. They're green, but they're flat. They're within a penny of break even. So again, we don't want to get too excited. We are long across the board. And the protein complex, same as the grains, pretty much right around the break even line. We're long fat cattle. We're long hogs. We're short feeder cattle. Okay. And in the softs, cocoa is higher. We're short. Cotton is flat. We're short. Sugar is higher. We're short. OJ, we're long. It's getting creamed. And coffee, we're short, and it's getting beat up. It's going against us. So, yes, look, we had a monster week last week. You can feel that there's a lot of action coming, but it isn't here yet. And you got to be real patient here. This morning, for example, our day trading, we made 3 trades that were basically small winners, and nothing to get too excited about. Again, I'm telling you, be patient. Your time will come. This ain't the time. All right, so be very careful. In the meantime, don't forget about our sponsors and our Vegas trip. We are going to Vegas December 5th for a cocktail party, 6, 7, 8 for training. It's the best event you'll ever go to or participate live stream. And Trader wants to make it easier for you. They're willing to pick up the $500 to give you the early bird pricing, or for either the live stream or in person. Just reach out to me, and either you have a Trader account or you're going to open one. And, of course, they have great products, and they can auto-execute our programs. Their information is scrolling on the side, but it is try.trader.com/Bubba. And, of course, Capital Trading Group, who is our partner in Day Trader's Dream, and also my personal futures broker. I have others, but they do the best job, and they're the best organization. info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And, of course, our high school program. And, for football tonight, interesting situation. I love the Cowboys. Okay. How about them Cowboys? But I may have to bet the Giants myself because I have a huge position coming in, and I may hedge a little bit off. In the meantime, I do like for open public, How about them Cowboys? Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.